Hey y'all, it's oh, there goes the fireworks again. So here I am just recording what's going on. You can just hear them. Still waiting for the big loud. Oh, yeah, I'm still waiting for the big loud ones. Yeah, dude. So far, it's kind of loud. I don't know what else to say. Oh, wow. Talk about the liberty and freedom. That's epic. Oh! Oh my god. Man, it's like the whole town is waking up. Yo, it wouldn't be the 4th of July without these fireworks. I mean, oh! Even though they're loud as shell. Oh! God. Oh my god. Crackety crack. They're coming back. I'm just waiting for it. Oh! 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 Oh, wow. Yo! Some of them are near and some of them are far. Oh, like that. Oh my god. Luckily, turtles do have ears. It's just that they have sound waves going through them. So yeah, they're there. It's just that you can't see them. Oh my god, bro.